Hello and welcome to another episode of A to Z World Foods with the Weyburn Public Library and the Estevan Public Library. Today we are going to be making fried pumpkin fritters. You can find the recipe on the A to Z World Foods website, which is available for free if you have a Southeast Regional Library card. The ingredients you'll need is 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs beaten, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin, about 1 3/4 cups. I used one of these. Vegetable oil for frying, and powdered sugar, honey, or silan date syrup for serving. Sugar and spices into a medium bowl. I'm using a large one because that's what's available. I'm going to whisk them together. In another large bowl, we are going to mix the eggs and the pumpkin. And then we add the dry ingredients to the pumpkin mixture and mix until smooth. That looks pretty smooth. And now we'll move over to the stove and cook this up. Alright, we've got about a 1/4 inch of oil in a skillet and it's over medium heat. The oil is ready when a drop of water splatters in it. That seemed to splatter pretty good. Now we're going to add the batter to the hot oil by heaping spoonfuls and then use the back of the spoon to flatten each patty into a circle. So we'll take a heaping spoonful and put it in and flatten it. And we're going to cook each side for about 3 minutes, flipping only once until it's a golden brown. It'll be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Alright, I've got my timer on. I'm going to stick another one in though. And flatten it. And another one. And flatten it. And we'll take another one and make sure it's flat. And we'll wait 3 minutes. Got about a minute left. Alright, that's a minute, so we'll flip them. And put the timer on again. Oh, they're starting to smell so good. The second side is just about done. I had to turn the fan on, so if you've got a fan above your stove, you may want to do that. Alright, now we are going to drain them on some paper towel. And while they drain, I'll make up the rest of the batch. And then we'll top them with some powdered sugar. Oops. Oh, Smells so good in here. Highly recommend this, especially if you love pumpkin. Yeah. That's what the first one's turned out like so far. We'll see what the rest turn out like, and I'll report back. Now here's how they're turning out so far. Not bad, but I am going to try something a little bit different. A bigger spoon to see if I get closer to what's on the A to Z World Foods website. Whoop. While those are cooking and some of these are still pretty warm, I'm going to take one of them and add some powdered sugar to it. And see how it tastes. Ooh, nice and crispy on the outside and warm and soft on the inside. That tastes very good. Oh, that's very yummy. As I mentioned, if you like the recipe, you can find it on the A to Z World Foods website. You can find a link to that through the Southeast Regional Library website under the e-resources or the all e-resources. I highly recommend you try this one out.